Let's talk about starting a pension in your 50s, especially if you run a business. I'm Lee the Pensions Guy, your guide to financial planning, pensions and smarter money decisions. Hit those buttons, give me a follow, and let's get into this. So many business owners spend years and years putting every penny back into the business. Growth and cash flow comes first, and pension planning normally gets parked. And quite often the accountant hasn't really encouraged it either. But here's the good news, even in your early 50s, it's absolutely not too late. Let me show you how one simple strategy can completely change your retirement picture. I worked with a business owner recently in his early 50s. It was a great business and really profitable, but no pension at all. Not because he didn't want one, just because he was really focused on building the business and pension funding was never really highlighted. So we put a plan in place for the company to pay $30,000 a year into his pension for the next 10 years. Here's what that actually means. Because it's a company contribution, he gets corporation tax relief, and at 25% corporation tax rate, that saves him $7,500 every year over the next 10 years. That's a $75,000 saving in tax alone. And if those contributions invested at 8% a year, that could mean it could deliver a pot of around $434,000. So from zero at 50 to potentially $430,000 plus by his early 60s, completely separate from the business and completely his. Your business can be part of your retirement, but building wealth outside of your business gives you security, flexibility and options later in life. So if you're a business owner thinking, I've left it too late, I can tell you, you haven't. I'm Lee the Pensions Guy. Make sure you hit follow, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and drop me a message if you want to see the numbers for your own situation. And as always, look after yourself, look after your money, and I'll speak to you very soon.